If you've ever wondered how to zoom on X.com or Twitter, this quick guide is for you. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to make everything easier to read, whether you want the whole page bigger or just the text size on X itself. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy software and web app guides. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the fastest method, which is zooming the entire web page. This is the easiest option because it changes the size of everything at once, including text, icons, menus, and layout boxes. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in. If you're on a Mac, use Command and the plus key. You can press it more than once until the page looks comfortable for you. If the page feels too large, zoom back out by pressing Ctrl and minus on Windows or Command and minus on Mac. And if you want to return everything to normal, press Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac. That instantly resets the page back to 100%. You can also zoom using your mouse. Hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac, then scroll your mouse wheel upward to zoom in or downward to zoom out. This is really useful if you want to fine-tune the page size without using the keyboard shortcuts over and over again. Now, if you only want to change the text size on X without affecting the browser zoom, there's another method built right into X.com. Start by going to the left-hand sidebar and clicking More, which is the three-dot menu. From there, open Settings and Privacy. Next, select Accessibility, Display and Languages. Then tap Display. Inside the display menu, look for the font size section. You'll see a slider with several circle options that control how large the text appears on X. Click a larger circle if you want bigger text. As soon as you choose one, the changes update live across the site, so you can immediately see which setting works best for you. This second method is great if you want a cleaner adjustment without changing your entire browser view. It's especially helpful if you just want tweets, menus, and captions to be easier to read while keeping the rest of your screen the same. So to recap, if you want to zoom on X.com or Twitter fast, use your browser shortcuts for the whole page. If you only want larger text inside X, use the built-in accessibility font size settings. Both methods are simple, quick, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.